Hey there, chasers. This is Liza from the Shampkin Silver Studios, the Shampkin Chasing Tools. I have this cigarette case that came in. It got completely overbuffed and some of the details have been lost. And this customer sent this to me from Egypt, actually, to have some of the finer detail re-chased into it. So I'm in the process of gonna fill it and mount it in this gigantic pitch bowl. I have my bag of pitch here, and I'm gonna put some pieces inside the lid. The hinge would be impossible to take apart, so I'm going to have to mount this in the pitch bowl just like that. So I'll take some pictures once I get it in the pitch bowl. Thanks for watching.